the Prophet used to love and consume and eat pumpkins. Now, pumpkins are a huge family of plants. I'm not good in biology, but the pumpkin, the big one, the red one that we know in Halloween, we know this. Also, there is the pumpkin that looks like a cucumber, but a little bit twisted. It comes green. And there is the Indian pumpkin, which is orange. Also, it's a cylinder type. All of this is pumpkin. And what they call it, I don't know, zucchini? Is it zucchini, that's the small one? Maybe zucchini or squash. Also is from the same family. So all of this, very beneficial. Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, when he was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the whale, when he came out, his skin had some deformity because of being in the belly of the whale and all of what's inside, chemicals and the likes. When he came out, Allah Azza wa Jal grew a tree of pumpkin to shade him. And this tree, of course, was not a tree because pumpkin is on the ground, but it was all around him. And they say it has huge healing impact and effect on various illnesses. One of them is diabetes. It has tremendous impact on reducing diabetes levels and on skin care. But you have to go through those specialists who know and have studied it. And there's so many medical studies on it. All of this doesn't matter to us, but it's an added value to know because the Prophet used to love it. We spoke yesterday that the Prophet ﷺ was invited by a tailor with Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, and he presented them with a dish, a meal, and the Prophet used to pick this pumpkin from all over the dish. It had also dried salted meat with it, but he used to pick the pumpkin and eat it because he loved it. Anas says, since then it became my best and favorite dish, so I always remember that the Prophet loved it and I used to consume it alayhi salatu wassalam.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون